In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record manual journals, or JVs, in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho or just looking to optimize your bookkeeping process, we'll walk through each step together to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to get it done efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Manual Journals section in Zoho Books. Start by looking at the left sidebar where you'll find the option labeled Accountant. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new set of options. Here, you'll see Manual Journals. Go ahead and click on that. Now, it's time to create a new journal entry. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find a button that says Plus New Journal. Clicking this button will open up a fresh form for you to fill out. In this form, the first thing you'll want to do is set the date for the journal entry. You can choose the date that's relevant to this particular entry. Next, you'll notice a field for journal numbers. This number is typically auto-generated, but if you prefer, you can customize this setting by clicking the gear icon. This allows you to either have it auto-generate or input it manually, whichever suits your needs best. Don't forget to add detailed notes or descriptions that pertain to the journal entry. These notes can be invaluable for future reference. Now choose the journal type that fits your transaction. Your options are accrual only, cash only, or a combination of accrual and cash. This selection is crucial as it determines how the entry affects your finances. Lastly, select the currency for the transaction. Make sure it's aligned with the currency used in the transaction to ensure accuracy in your records. Once all the details are set, you can move on to adding debit and credit entries. In the Items table, select the account you wish to debit or credit. Enter the appropriate debit or credit amount. Ensure these amounts balance correctly for a complete entry. You also have the option to associate a contact if needed. If your journal entry requires multiple lines or complexities, you can add more entries by clicking Add Row. After entering your debit and credit details, you might have supporting documents or receipts. You can attach these files directly to the journal entry, keeping everything neat and organized in one place. Finally, it's time to save your work. You'll see options to either save or save and publish. Choose the option that best suits your workflow. If you're ready to finalize the journal entry for formal records, save and publish is the way to go. And there you have it. Your manual journal entry in Zoho Books is now complete. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.